Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. This is Shariel and you're watching Modest Millennial, where we talk about all things money that they don't teach you in school. Guys, I had never imagined, even in my wildest dreams, that I would be making a video about DOGEcoin one day and talking to you about this currency on a more serious note. But recent events have pulled my attention towards this digital currency as the price jumped first by about 950% in February this year, and just earlier this week it jumped by about 500% again, made possible by viral tweets, internet memes, and lots of comment with rocket emojis. This probably has made a lot of you guys out there a ton of money, and you're probably wondering at this point if you should keep holding your Dogecoins or get rid of them to make some profit. If you are in a situation like this, make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand what your options are and how you should approach making a decision on this dilemma. And guys, don't forget to smash the like button for YouTube algorithm, as this might also help make the Doge mascot, the really cute Shiba Inu, really happy. Dogecoin first started back in 2013 as a joke currency and was the result of a couple software engineers trying to mock Bitcoin for the popularity it had started gaining among cryptocurrency enthusiasts back in the day. But Dogecoin started really gaining popularity after Reddit, the king of internet forums, started accepting payments in Dogecoin for people trying to tip each other for interesting posts and funny comments. At the time, the value of each Dogecoin was still around 0.003 cents, with no predictions on what Dogecoin could be valued at in the future. This started giving rise to more and more people within the Reddit community accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment to buy Reddit crowns, and coupled with the humor surrounding this currency on the forum, Dogecoin really started becoming the famous currency of the internet. Dogecoin's value stayed consistent within the 0.003 to 0.005 cent range, with no real catalyst to help the price jump up significantly, although several users on Reddit had already started rooting for Dogecoin to reach $1 someday by coining the phrase Dogecoin to the moon. Owing to the super cheap cost to purchase one Dogecoin, people with even $50 to their name were able to purchase thousands and thousands of Dogecoins at once, and the hope was for this investment to jump from $50 today to several thousands of dollars when Dogecoin would hit $1. After this, it wasn't until 2018 when Robinhood, primarily a stock trading app, started allowing free buying and selling of cryptocurrencies on its platform when Dogecoin's rally really started picking up steam. But the significant jump in Dogecoin's price over the past few months has especially occurred because of several tweets surrounding mooning of the price of Dogecoin by none other than the Technoking of the 21st century, Elon Musk. Today, as of making this video, Dogecoin has a market cap of more than $48 billion and ranks amongst the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the world by market cap. For something that started less than a decade ago as a complete joke, this valuation comes as being completely absurd. Now, we cannot really talk about Dogecoin's capacity as an investment unless we talk about the biggest cryptocurrencies of them all, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has grown significantly in the recent years due to widespread acceptance as a form of payment by several companies, and also such companies investing in Bitcoin as a long-term asset to have on their balance sheets. Tesla, for example, invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin about a month ago and started accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment for buying their cars. The reason why Bitcoin's value keeps jumping up significantly though is because of how rare it is. According to some experts on the internet, the supply of Bitcoin can only reach up to 21 million coins throughout its life. Thus, following the law of supply and demand for Bitcoin, as the availability of Bitcoin is decreasing, the demand for it keeps on going up each day and the price keeps jumping up. Whether it will hold its current price or come crashing down one day is a totally different topic that I'll probably talk about someday. Unlike Bitcoin though, the supply of Dogecoin is not limited to a certain number of coins. There are over 129 billion coins in circulation as I'm making this video, and with the supply of Dogecoins rising each day. Each year, the supply of Dogecoins is expected to increase by about 5 billion coins, which creates an inflationary situation for the currency and motivates people to spend their coins today, as the value of their coins is expected to decrease when more coins start circulating in the market each year. However, this expectation of the drop in the value of Dogecoins might become more and more diluted as coins keep adding into the market each year until one day adding another 5 billion coins to the market has a negligible effect on the number of coins already in circulation. But humor aside, guys, any value that Dogecoin has right now is only attributed to its perception by some people of being able to reach higher highs in the next few years and holding on to their investments. In reality, though, the developers have said that the value of Dogecoins might stagnate one day as further production and management of Dogecoins would start costing more and more each year as more coins become available. Dogecoin was not meant to be a serious investment though, and because of that, it took away the fear out of investing in actual assets such as stocks and bonds, and maybe that is why Dogecoin gained popularity among people on the internet, as buying Dogecoins did not require too much work or too much money in the first place. It is said that Coinbase, which is one of the largest cryptocurrency trading platforms out there, going public has a lot to do with the recent significant jump in the price of Dogecoins, as there has been a massive push from the internet for Coinbase to add trading capability for Dogecoin on its platform. This would give a lot more people and a lot many countries access to easily trade Dogecoins on Coinbase and would push the value of this coin even further. As to the question of what I think about Dogecoin as a real investment, I still continue to be a little bit skeptic about why you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Seriously guys, not cool. Anyway, I also continue to be a skeptic about recognizing Dogecoin as a real form of investment. Normally, I tend to not invest in things I don't completely understand and cannot see a future return on my investments for. But when it comes to Dogecoin, I hate to admit that I have been actively involved over the past couple years in trading this currency on the Robinhood trading platform. My obsession with Dogecoin first started when Bitcoin hit its all-time high back in 2017. As I couldn't afford to purchase Bitcoin around the time, I started researching about alternate coins that might have the potential to go to the moon one day. Not knowing the mechanics around how blockchain really worked and what all these cryptocurrencies really were, I started purchasing Dogecoin and another popular currency around that time, Litecoin, thinking that one day these would also be worth what Bitcoin was around that time. However, guys, like I said, I hate to invest in things I don't completely understand, and I sold both these investments right after for a small amount of profit. Although I continued passively keeping an eye on the price of Dogecoin and sometimes buying and selling a few thousand coins here and there over the past couple years. It might even seem funny to you, but I have lost some money trading Dogecoins because of my impatience with its price. However, if I would have just continued to hold on to my Dogecoin investments over the past couple years, today my investments from Dogecoin alone would have been worth at least a few $1,000s. I don't know what the right thing to do here was, guys, but in the language of the internet, I really have paper hands when it comes to investments I don't completely understand. Today though, I still own about 1,000 Dogecoins that I started purchasing back in February, again after Elon Musk tweeted about Dogecoin going to the moon, and I'm continuing to hold on to these coins, at least in the near term. When it comes to my advice on whether you should be investing in Dogecoin or not, here are my 2 cents on the currency. I would not put my life savings towards the investment, as Dogecoin's price fluctuates violently, and with no real predictions in sight or no real intrinsic value to the currency, Dogecoin might very well come crashing down to a fraction of a penny one day. As long as I'm invested in Dogecoin only to the point where the amount of money I have in the investment from my side is not life-altering, I would continue to hold on to Dogecoin. A couple $100 is really not that life-changing at the moment, and I'm not afraid of losing this money if something terrible were to happen to this currency. Could it one day go up to $1? It's entirely possible, but taking a chance on this currency is entirely like gambling with your money and expecting no significant outcome from your investment in the currency. Just to be completely clear, guys, all these things I'm saying on this channel are my own personal opinions and not investing advice in any form. If you need investing advice, go consult your financial advisor. Guys, it would be irresponsible of me to ask you to buy and hold Dogecoins as a serious investment for the rest of your life. But if you have money to risk and maybe to lose, by all means do it. You never know, there might be a day when Elon Musk tweets that Tesla has started accepting Dogecoins as a form of payment for Tesla cars. But for now, where there are no real world use cases for the use of Dogecoin, its value is completely based on the attention it's getting on the internet. And we all know that attention on the internet keeps changing to different things as time goes on. But you know what thing on the internet should never lose attention? The like button. It's completely free to hit and helps me bring you a ton of information on personal finance. So with that, guys, thanks so much for watching again. I really appreciate it. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to tune into my channel next week for more content on personal finance.